I don't think people understand how insanely powerful volcanoes are. Let's break it down. Deep beneath the Earth's crust, there's a fiery world called the magma chamber. This is where molten rock called magma builds up. As more magma flows in, pressure starts to mount. Imagine shaking a soda can. Eventually it's going to pop. When the pressure becomes too much, boom! The magma bursts through cracks in the crust, racing towards the surface. Once it breaks free, it's called lava. And boy, does it make a scene! Eruptions can be gentle oozes or catastrophic explosions, painting the sky with ash clouds and lava rivers. So next time you see a volcano, remember, it's not just a mountain, it's a ticking time bomb of Earth's raw power. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our planet.